going on, everyone? Today we are doing the 2018 Black Cement 3 review. Go ahead right into the shoe. Got the elephant print right all the way around the back. The left shoe obviously is a little bit more plush. I said that in my previous video. This one's a lot nicer than the other one. Black leather all around the upper. Smooth black panel right there. Elephant print all the way around. Black continues around this side. And of course, perforated holes right there in the end. And then also on the lace loops and basically up along the tongue, along with the red Jumpman right there. If you need to see the size tag, there it is. Of course, got black right above the air bubble, white going into the forward foot, along with the white in the stitch around the toe. Regular Jordan 3 outsole, along with the red eyelets, as you can see right there, and then a smooth black flat lace. Of course, the most nice part about the shoe is the Nike Air on the ass. Like I said, the one shoe is a lot more plush than this one. As you can see, it's got a really hard leather look to it. They need to fix the quality control, I'd say. I mean, on foot it's not gonna look bad, but of course once you wear them more, probably break them in a little bit, get the leather loosened up a little bit. I mean, they feel great on feet regardless, but you know, if it was just a more plush tumble leather like this one, as you can see right there, instead of this cardboard ass looking leather. Very nice shoes in hand. I'd say well worth the money if you're gonna want to try and cop a pair. Some people are saying with comparing these to the 2011, the only thing really different to me, I think, compared to the 2011 is of course the Nike Air on the back, and 2011 pair, the elephant print along the toe box and around the back were a lot more defined. Of course, I don't have a 2011 pair to show you, but I used to. But right along here is a lot more defined and a lot more thick, so it's not, if you were like scrape it on anything, it would just kind of go away, if you know what I mean. On the back, it's a little bit more thick and more engraved into the shoe. To me, the 2011 pair was a lot more dark black, made it look very glossy. Also with the paint, this is more of a matte flat finish, as the majority of the 2011 pair, the black paint on these was glossy, as the white is a lot more flat compared to that. Yeah, that's about really all that I noticed with the differences. Obviously, leather is a lot thinner. They cut down on materials, a lot of these for these. Not as much padding in the tongue. Leather is thinner to make it feel more plush. That is my review of that. So I'll go ahead and jump into the on feet so you guys can see that. We'll be back. So that is my on feet of the Black Cement 3. Leave your comments down below if you're gonna cop the shoe, not gonna buy it. Besides that, that is this review. Like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the dingy bell up top so you can see when I post a new video. And stay tuned for more stuff coming from me and Vic soon. We plan to record some stuff this weekend. You guys have a good day. So, peace out.